everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do so, first thing first, go ahead, open up your Binance app. Once you have opened up your Binance app right over here, you're gonna tap on the login option and get signed in. Once you have done that, you're going to check out your balance that you would like to withdraw and then tap on the withdraw option. Then you have to select a withdrawal method. You have P2P trading, sell. You can sell in USD, or you can tap on the withdraw at the bottom again. Then you're going to choose the asset that you would like to withdraw. Then again tap on a withdraw. Then you're going to choose the option of send via crypto network. Once you have done that, you're gonna go back and go to your Revolut app, and then you're gonna go to the section of send. Once you are in the send section, you will be able to choose the cryptocurrency you would like to send or receive. So make sure to choose the same currency that you have chosen in Binance itself. So in the withdraw section, you're gonna go ahead, add in the all balance of yours, and you will be required to add an address. So here in the address section, you will be adding the Revolut wallet address. So once you're here in the currency section, choose the same currency as Binance, and then it will simply generate a wallet code for you. Simply copy the code and come back to your Binance app and paste it. Once you have done that, simply confirm the transaction, check out the details and review it, and again reconfirm it, and you're good to go. That's how your fund will be transferred. You can check it out on your Revolut later on to see if you have got it or not. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.